Hey y'all. Start over. Or just keep going, I guess. You're just gonna stare at me.
No, just stop and then start over.
Hey y'all, Rachel here, and I'm going to be showing you this super cute Evaless tank top. It comes in a variety of colors, and as you can see, it has these fun polka dots on it. I got like this bluish teal color, but they have other ones as well. It's longer in length, so you can wear leggings with it if you want. It covers your bum. I'm about 5'4", 125 pounds, and this is a size small. So I do like the length of it. However, I prefer it with a pair of jeans. And I like to wear it like tucked in, maybe a little bit longer in the front, or also tuck it in the back. I think it looks really cute like that. And then like the type of material, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like really silky and soft. And so not only is it cute, but it's really comfortable, and it's also a little bit loose and baggy. So if you're going out to like a brewery with your girlfriends or grabbing brunch, what have you, like you don't have to worry about eating too much, which I love eating good food. So I like a little bit of a looser shirt, a little bit of a looser fit, and this has that looser style to it. And it looks really cute. It's really easy to style. You can wear it with jeans, leggings, shorts. This would even be really cute with like white jeans. You can switch up the way you wear it, and no matter how you wear it, it's gonna look really cute. So I love this new top. It's perfect for summer. If you throw a sweater over it, it's great all year round, and I'm definitely gonna be putting it to good use. So hope you liked my review. Bye y'all.